Silence is the voice of God. When silence created in our heart cleanses and purifies all our emotional impressions, stills the otherwise wavering mind, and makes it capable of perceiving the divine impulse that emerges from within, surfing up like the placid bubble of tranquil water. When the inner ocean is calm and clear, our state of expanded consciousness opens up to us a vast new realm of existence. Heartfulness is a heart-centered approach to life, where you will be able to live each moment by your heart. It is to live naturally, in harmony with the qualities of a heart, enlightened and refined through spiritual practice. The heartfulness approach to life is supported by the 4 basic practices of Sahaj Marg: heartfulness relaxation, heartfulness meditation, heartfulness cleaning, heartfulness prayer. We, here at Ramchandra Mission Yogashram, Ambleshwar, Raipur, have created such an oasis for learning and practicing heartfulness. Yogashram Bhumi Pujan was done on July 2006. The ashram is managed by Heartfulness Institute, Hyderabad. Here, one large pillarless meditation hall has the capacity to accommodate 1,000 people together for meditation. Meditation Hall's foundation stone was laid on 9th March 2009 and was inaugurated on 18th of March 2011. Group meditation is conducted on every morning at 7:30 a.m. Yogic transmission is the hallmark of heartfulness meditation offered by Sahaj Marg. Transmission is a sacred emanation from the original source. We could call it the essence of God. Transmission has been defined as the utilization of divine energy for the transformation of human beings. It is not that meditation will give you everything, but meditation, when done properly and with the right attitude, creates a condition, and that condition will certainly transform you. Nonetheless, the road to enlightenment traverses through life rather than away from life. So, experience the unalloyed bliss yourself by becoming a happier you and building a better community by adopting the tenets of Sahaj Marg.